Welcome to our 2025 guide on the best AI tools for content creators. We will explore powerful free tools to help you write, design, edit, and create content. What is an AI content tool? It's smart software that uses artificial intelligence to help you create content faster, including writing scripts, generating images and art, and editing videos and audio. Think of it as a super smart creative assistant, available 24/7 for free. Why use AI for content? It provides 10 times faster writing than manual work, zero-cost tools with no credit card needed, and 100% availability anytime, on any device. Remember, AI is not replacing creators, it's empowering them. We categorize AI tools into 6 main types: writing, image, video, music, voice, and coding tools. We will dive into specific examples for each category. For writing, ChatGPT by OpenAI is a powerful free tool. You can use it for blog posts, articles, YouTube scripts, email copy, and social media captions. Other free writing tools include Claude by Anthropic for long-form writing and analysis. Gemini by Google offers research capabilities and Google Docs integration. Copilot by Microsoft is integrated into the Edge browser. For image generation, free tools include Canva AI, offering templates and drag-and-drop ease, and Ideogram, a specialist in text-in-image and typography art. Adobe Firefly provides a pro-quality free tier with commercially safe images, and Microsoft Designer is great for AI posters and social media. Moving to video editing, CapCut is a free video editor best for social media creators, offering auto captions and smart editing. Runway ML allows text-to-video generation with a free tier. Pika Labs creates AI videos from images with free credits. For voice and music, ElevenLabs provides AI voice cloning and text-to-speech with a free monthly character limit. Suno AI can generate full songs with lyrics, offering 50 free songs daily. Udio creates music from text prompts, and Adobe Podcast enhances audio and offers transcription for free. For coding, GitHub Copilot is free for students and offers AI code autocomplete in versus code. Codeium is completely free and provides fast AI code completion. Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor with a free tier, and Replit AI allows you to build and deploy in your browser for free. The #1 free AI tool overall is ChatGPT. It is best for writing, highly versatile, and has over 175 million users worldwide. Why? Because it writes, explains, edits, codes, and brainstorms, all in one free tool. Here is a quick comparison of some of the best free AI tools. ChatGPT is an all-rounder for writing. Canva AI is unlimited for design and social media. CapCut is great for short videos. ElevenLabs is best for podcasting, and Suno AI for background music. Codeium is unlimited for developers and coding. Imagine a creator's AI-powered day. Start with ChatGPT for writing, move to Canva AI for design, then ElevenLabs for voice. Next, CapCut for video editing, and finally, Suno AI for music. One full day of creative content, all with free AI tools. Here are some tips to get the best output from AI. First, be specific with your prompts. Second, give examples of the style you want. Third, iterate by refining the output. Finally, always review, fact-check, and add your personal touch before publishing. Watch out for the limitations of free AI. AI can be wrong, producing hallucinations, so always verify. Most free tiers have limits. Protect your privacy by not sharing confidential data. Ensure your voice is unique, not generic, and remember that most tools require a stable internet connection. Start creating today. Remember, free tools are available for every type of content, and ChatGPT is an excellent all-around starting point. AI is here to help you. It doesn't replace your creativity. Thank you for watching this video. Now go create something amazing.